Hey everybody, this is going to be a quick little update video for you guys on the truck. We are doing a little bit more work on it. I do have some goodies from Boost Auto that I will be putting on here a little bit later. That'll be a separate video. But in this video, we're actually going to be taking off that matte vinyl that comes on the door panels right here. This one, obviously, as you can see, it's already been removed. It still has some of that sticky adhesive on there. So I'm gonna get some Goo Gone and clean that up. But over on this side, we haven't done this side yet. So I will kind of show you guys how to do this. This front door panel is actually real easy. If you just roll down the windows all the way, it makes it a lot easier. You can actually come right here from the back and kind of start to peel it up. You don't really need any tools or anything. You can actually kind of get it by hand. I would recommend like a heat gun or a hair dryer. I do have a little pick, I believe, over there, a little old thermometer I don't use anymore, just to try to pick at some of the adhesive like down in here if you can't reach that. When it comes to this door, you're gonna want the window down on that one as well. And you're actually gonna wanna remove this stripping right here, so that way you can kind of get access to the seam. And then what I would recommend doing is do not try to peel it from this side. I would take this whole side off first, heat it back towards the rear of the truck. That way when you get your heat gun all along here, it'll just essentially delaminate and all the adhesive will be so soft, it'll just pull away. If you try to go from the bottom up, you're gonna run into a lot of tearing issues over here on this side. And then if you go from the way down, you're gonna have more material. It's gonna get wider. So you risk it tearing as well. So what I did is I actually peeled it back from here, from the inside, and then I heated up the whole thing and just pushed it over all the way up. And then I just laid the hair dryer pretty much all along this little part down here, because there is a lot of, it bends back behind the window here, probably a good, I don't know, like 1/8 of an inch, maybe even 1/4 of an inch. There is a lot of material, so you do want to get this pretty hot. And then once you're done, obviously just clean up the area and then it will be good to go. I'm debating on leaving it just like the bare like flame red color. If I were to rewrap it, it would be a gloss. I don't like that it was like super dark 5% tinted windows, then a matte, then dark tinted windows. It does look better in my opinion gloss versus matte, but I guess we'll just have to clean it up and see how it looks. I would like to eventually get this mirror cap wrapped or the whole mirror painted. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below. And then we also have some more goodies coming from Boost Auto, but I can't really talk about that yet, so we will go over that again in another video. Stay tuned for more.